Hey Resinators. Okay, so I don't know if you've ever heard of the subreddit prorevenge, but I was just recently told about it, and guys, I've been doing some digging on here, and there's some and there's just some really messed up stuff on here, but honestly, there's some hilarious stuff on here too. So the story I wanted to read for you today, God, it's pretty messed up, but like this guy, I won't spoil it. Just listen. You guys let me know what you think. This one is called Guy Quit His Job Thinking He Became Rich. Hey, new to Reddit, I thought I would post my story here. I work for a construction company and we do remodeling on houses. We have a rule here that we get to keep anything we find hidden behind the walls. Okay, so we hired this guy. We really needed a worker badly, who was a total a-hole from day one. Now, I've been working with this company for more than 5 years, and this guy has only been doing construction for 1 year, after he got fired from his accounting job for getting a DUI. Anyways, he would always make fun of my clothes and my accent, and one day he went too far by telling my boss about my private Instagram account pics. He actually got on my phone and looked through my Instagram page and showed my boss pictures of me smoking weed. Little did he know, me and my boss have been friends for over 8 years. We used to smoke pot together before we both quit. I was so mad that he violated my privacy, so I made a plan to screw him over. He was the kind of guy who would always come in late and complain that trains or traffic is why he was always late. One day I overheard him saying that if he won the lottery, he would quit his job for not getting the respect that he deserves. Well, little does he know, you have to earn your respect here. So one day I bought some fake gold coins online and I put them in a metal box that I found at the antique store, and I waited for a chance to hide them in a wall. Luckily, I did not have to wait long. The day he found the coins, it seemed like it was his best day ever. First thing he did when he opened the box, he called my boss an effing loser and he quit immediately on the spot. He said, "F this place, I'm rich." Little did he know, that was the best day of my life. After he quit, my boss told us that he was gonna fire him anyways for always showing up late. I wish I could see the look on his face when he finds out that the gold coins are fake. Best $40 I spent in my life. Oh my gosh, guys, this story, the whole thing is just so cringy. Like, for one, I can't stand a-holes. Like, if you have to go out of your way to be a piece of crap, I literally want nothing to do with you. It's not that hard to be nice, honestly. And being an a-hole is one thing, but for him to have the audacity to go into OP's private, personal information, look at his phone, and then show his boss the pictures, like, really? It almost seems like he should have gotten fired for that in the first place. Going through somebody's personal belongings, really? Okay, so I have to ask you guys, after hearing that whole story, do you think that OP was justified for what he did, or do you think it was a bit of overkill? For me, in this situation, I'm gonna say it was 100% justified. Not only did he go through his personal belongings, but it sounds like he was a freaking idiot to begin with. Who would quit their job before even finding out the value of whatever they found? Like, really? All I'm saying is that this guy deserved what was coming to him. You guys let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Also, I wanted to show you guys my newest Domino set that I made for a customer. So they asked me for blue, purple, and red, and I was super excited to make this set because I love these colors. I added silver iridescent glitter and sparkly black for the back. But now the problem is I cannot figure out what color I want to use for the dots. I'm torn between black and silver. So you guys have to let me know in the comments which color should I pick. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching my latest video. Let me know what you guys think about this pro-revenge story, and let me know if you think I should do more. All right, besties, I love your faces. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.